Private schools urge Karnataka government to limit fee cut to 15%. Parents will have to pay 100% school fee during the pandemic period, says Supreme Court. Primary schools in Jammu resume. About 190 students and 70 teachers of 2 government schools in Kerala test COVID positive. HSC exams in Odisha to commence from May 3rd. Delhi government begins process for nursery admissions. Pune, education officers told to maintain caution as number of students has increased. Coaching class owners appeal to Education Minister to resume physical classes. Telangana government teachers demand the resumption of offline classes. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: School associations from across boards have urged the state government to limit the cut in total fees to 15%. They submitted a memorandum on Monday saying that slashing school charges will severely affect the ability to pay staff salaries and run operations smoothly. Associations have pointed out that the government had earlier stopped the annual increase in fees. Due to financial constraints, unaided private schools have to absorb the cost of RTE admissions. The memorandum states, one can imagine what is left with schools. Normally, 60 to 75% of the total fees collected is used for salary and wages. Under this order of the government, no aided private schools can survive. The Supreme Court on Monday announced that parents will have to pay 100% of the school fees for the academic session 2020 to 2021 during the pandemic period, which will be equal to the fees paid in the academic session 2019 to 2020. The order was given while holding a joint hearing on the SLP filed by the Vidya Bhavan Society, the Managing Committee of Savai Mansingh Vidyalaya, Gandhi Seva Sadan, and the Society of Catholic Education Institutions, which challenged the Fee Regulation Act 2016. Under the orders, parents will have to pay the fee from March 5, 2021, which can be collected in 6 installments. Also, the court clarified that no child's name will be omitted from the school due to non-payment of fees. Also, children of 10th and 12th standard will not be denied to sit in the examination if fees are not deposited. A week after reopening of schools for classes 9 to 12, classes for students up to the 8th standard resumed on Monday in the Jammu division. The Jammu School Education Director Anuradha Gupta congratulated all the stakeholders, including students, their parents and staff members, for the reopening of schools and also cautioned everyone to follow all the safety measures properly. Gupta said, "Every crisis comes with an opportunity. While we missed on a lot of things, a lot could have been achieved in this year that was lost to COVID. We did manage to take advantage of closed school buildings and beautified the campuses and made them vibrant and student-friendly." Around 190 students and 70 teachers of 2 government schools in Malappuram have tested positive for COVID-19, persuading health officials to ask school authorities in the district to be extra cautious and strictly implement the COVID-19 protocol. A district health official said around 150 students and 34 teachers of the Marancherry Higher Secondary School tested positive for the virus on Sunday. The rapid rate of spread of the virus has made authorities implement stricter norms of social distancing and other health protocols in all schools. District health authorities have asked school authorities to strictly implement the use of masks and thermal testing of students. Parents and family members of students and teachers who tested positive have been instructed to go into quarantine. Both the schools have been closed for disinfecting, as said by officials. The high school certificate examinations will begin on May 3rd in Odisha schools, according to a notification issued by the Board of Secondary Education Cuttack on Monday. The examination will continue till May 15th, it said. The examinations for the Madhyam Sanskrit will be held from May 3rd to 12th. Over 6 lakh candidates are likely to sit for the examinations. The examination will be held from 8 am to 10 am. As a first step to initiate the process of admissions to entry-level classes, that is nursery, KG and class 1, for the 2020 to 2021 academic session, the Delhi government on Monday directed all its district education officers to provide information regarding the seats available for general and reserved categories in these classes in all private schools across the capital. The Directorate of Education issued the notification days after Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said the government will soon begin the nursery admission process in private schools. The centralized process for admissions to entry-level classes for over 2 lakh seats in around 1,700 private schools, which usually commences in November or December, has been delayed by over 2 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The government also carries out a separate entrance process for students from the economically weaker sections or disadvantaged groups categories to these classes for the 25% reserved seats under the Right to Education Act. The number of students reporting to classrooms in Maharashtra is increasing every day amidst fears among parents and teachers after 200 students in Kerala tested positive for COVID-19. More than 95% schools across the state from class 5 onwards have started conducting classroom lectures with an average attendance of 40% class strength. But with COVID-19 cases being reported in Kerala, school authorities in Maharashtra now have to strengthen their monitoring systems. As per the latest data available with the School Education Department, of the 40,812 secondary schools from class 5 onwards, where 38,85,106 students are enrolled, 34,996 have reopened as on January 27. In Pune, where secondary schools reopened on February 1st, 716 of 888 public and private schools have reopened and 35,800 students attended classroom lectures on February 8th alone. With schools and colleges reopening in Maharashtra, coaching class owners also want the government to allow them to resume physical classes. The Maharashtra Class Owners Association met the Higher and Technical Education Minister Uday Samant and submitted their standard operating procedures while putting forth their demand. Schools in the state, except for the Mumbai metropolitan region, have reopened for classes 6 to 8, while colleges are set to resume physical sessions from February 15th. However, the state is yet to allow coaching classes to reopen. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.